I'm trying to save this old weather stripping. You can see it spinning right here a little bit. And I'm hoping, I'm hoping that this stuff will work. I read good things about it. 3M black weather strip gasket adhesive. Hopefully this will work. And so I can repair this, just to make it last a few more years. Because this stuff's expensive from what I heard. So let's see if this can do it. Smells like airplane glue, if I remember right. So let me give it a shot. Cross my fingers. Comes already messy. My understanding, you gotta get the stuff tacky, and when it gets tacky, then you glue it together. Wow. Ooh, I can see why. This stuff is sticky. Whew. Oh, I think it's some more on that. It's not even close. How about this one? Yeah, this one's touching. Yeah, I can see it now. This stuff is sticky. Very sticky. That's already stuck together. That. Yep. Very fast. Wow. See how close it's gotten? It doesn't take a lot of time. Plus it's kind of warm out here. It's about 65, 70 degrees. You can see it's already touched. And it's not even sticky to the touch at all. This one's a little sticky because I put it a little heavier, but that one's already touched too. So get both sides tacky and push them together after a few seconds. That's it. I'm actually going to just put a bead right there, kind of save it. Actually, I don't think I have to. Well, I'm going to anyways. Just put it like a layer on top. Maybe right here too, because it's rubbing. Ah, pretty cool. That's legit, but it's very sticky. Be careful.